What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Meg, and today we're learning all about Leos. I am back with another astrological video. If this is your jam, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out next month when I post the next sign. If you'd like to see what else I've been doing, I will have the playlist linked down below. And if I can link playlists up above, I'll link it up above in the info cards. I don't know if I can still do that. But anyways, today we are learning all about Leos. And before this video goes any further, I just want to say some of my favorite people are Leos, so I have a soft spot for them in my heart. But you'll have to let me know what you agree with, what you don't agree with. And before we go any further, let's go ahead and take a couple of seconds to talk about sun, moon, and rising. There's so much more to you than just your sun sign. So if you don't agree with every single word coming out of my mouth in this video, that is okay. There's so much more to you that makes up your birth chart. But I do recommend, if you do have Leo in your moon or in your rising, this may be an insightful video to you. You may be able to relate to it. If you'd like to learn more about what moon, rising, Mercury, Mars, all the stuff that has to do with your birth chart means, I do have a bunch of astrology for beginner videos on my other channel, Crystal Corner. Such a mouthful. I will have it linked down below if you're interested in learning more about that. So that is my little basis that I start off every video, just so you guys know. So now I'm just going to go ahead and get into the explanation behind the artistry. I kind of take each sign, look at the color palette, and kind of come up with an interpretation of what makeup I think would best represent that sign. This is what I came up with today. I can't take all the credit though, because Kelly Ledger came up with this look, and it is absolutely stunning. That blue is so gorgeous. But she kind of has the gold tears and stars on her face, and I was like, this could be absolutely perfect for a Leo look, because gold, I mean, you guys are very like flashy, to say the least, and like the attention. But Leos are also very prideful, so this represents y'all's prideful tears. And there is the color story that we can speak of. So this is the color spectrum for Leo. As you can see, it's pretty much all fire. It is the most fiery of all the fire signs. Aries had some blue snuck in there, so I think that this look is just perfect for Leos, but you know, that's just my opinion. You guys will have to let me know what you think. I'm gonna go ahead and drop facts while I show you how to get this makeup look. I share celebrity birthdays, and as always, I conclude the video with the creepiest thing about your sign. So that's always fun, and all my resources are linked down below. Let's roll into it. All right, Leo season runs from July 23rd to August 22nd. Leo belongs to the element of fire, just like Aries and Sagittarius. I'm an Aries, so hey, Leo, fire sister, what's up? This makes them warm-hearted, in love with life, trying to laugh and have a good time. Able to use their mind to solve even the most difficult problems, they will easily take initiative in resolving various complicated situations. Ruled by the sun, Leo worships this fiery entity in the sky, quite literally as well as metaphorically. As the closest star to Earth, the sun is the most powerful body in our sky and demands attention, just like Leo's. Watch out for that heat though, because just like the sun, Leo can burn you with their occasional self-centeredness and hot temper. They are in search for self-awareness and in constant growth of ego. Aware of their desires and personality, they can easily ask for everything they need, but could just as easily uncautiously neglect the needs of other people in their chase for personal gain or success. Getting called out, Leos. When a Leo representative becomes too fond and attached to their achievements and the way people see them, they become an easy target ready to be taken down. Sounds like y'all might have some enemies. With their shining heart of gold, Leo is a loyal lover and proud and courageous leader. The sign of the lion embodies an air of royalty, just like the kings and queens of the jungle. Sometimes expressive to a fault, Leo has never been known to keep their feelings hidden. Steer clear of Leo's drama, however, and you'll find some of the most generous souls you'll ever meet. I have to agree with that. I do have an ex that was a Leo, and so I just think of him as a bad person, but the other Leos I know, I just love them so much. I think that they're such great people. Strengths of Leos include being creative, passionate, generous, warm-hearted, cheerful, and humorous. Weaknesses of Leos include arrogance, being stubborn, self-centered, lazy, and inflexible. Leos tend to like theater, taking holidays, being admired, expensive things, bright colors, and fun with friends. Some things that Leos tend to dislike: being ignored, facing difficult reality, not being treated like a king or queen. People born under the sign of Leo are natural born leaders. They are dramatic, creative, self-confident, dominant, and extremely difficult to resist, able to achieve anything they want in any area of life they commit to. There is a specific strength to a Leo and their king of the jungle status. Leo often has many friends, for they are generous and loyal. Self-confident and attractive, this is a sun sign capable of uniting different groups of people and leading them as one towards a shared cause, and their healthy sense of humor makes collaboration with other people even easier. Leo, the lion in the cave. The story of the lion always speaks of bravery. This is an animal fearless and impossible to challenge, hurt, or destroy, and their only weakness being fear and aggression towards those they choose to confront. Living in a cave, a lion always needs to have one, nesting and finding comfort in hard times. However, they shouldn't get too comfortable and stay there for too long. With their head high, they have to face others with dignity and respect, never raising their voice, a hand, or a weapon, bravely walking through the forest as they rule. Leos in love. This fire sign is passionate and sincere, and its representatives show their feelings with ease and clarity. When in love, they are fun, loyal, respectful, and very generous with their loved one. They will take the role of leader in any relationship and strongly rely on the need for independence and initiative. This can be tiring for their partner at times, especially if they start imposing their will and organizing things that aren't theirs to organize in the first place. Each Leo needs a partner who is self-aware, reasonable, and on the same intellectual level as them. Their partner also has to feel to express and fight for themselves, or too much light from their Leo sun might burn their own personality down. Sex life of each Leo is an adventure, fun, and energetic. This is someone who has a clear understanding of boundaries between sex and love, but might fail to see how important intimacy and emotional connection is to the quality of their sex life. Every Leo needs a partner to fight through their awareness and reach their sensitive, subconscious core in order to find true satisfaction in a meaningful relationship. Leo when it comes to friends and family. With friends, Leo is generous, faithful, and a truly loyal friend. Born with a need to help others, they will do so even if it takes a lot of time and energy. Strong and reliable, this individual has the ability to appeal to almost everyone and has the energy to host celebrations and different events with people that bring out the best in them. They are rarely alone, for interactions with others give them a sense of self-esteem and awareness that they need, but they could have trouble finding friends who are able to keep pace and follow the high energy they carry everywhere they go. When it comes to family, family matters won't be the first thing a Leo will think about when they wake up or the last thing they think about when they go to bed at night. True to themselves for the most part, they tend to become independent as soon as possible. Still, a Leo will do anything to protect their loved ones, proud of their ancestry and roots in good and bad times. Career and money. Leos are highly energetic and tend to always be busy no matter the need for their employment. They are ambitious, creative, and optimistic, and once they dedicate to their work, they will do everything just right. The best possible situation they can find themselves in is to be their own boss or manage others with as little control from their superiors as possible. You see, us fire signs don't really like being told what to do. Jobs that allow open expression of artistic talent, such as acting and entertainment, are ideal for a Leo. Management, education, and politics are also a good fit, as well as anything that puts them in a leadership position which naturally suits them. Leos love to be surrounded by modern and trendy things, and although money comes easy to them, They spend it less responsibly than some of the other signs in the zodiac. Extremely generous, they could provide many friends with financial aid, supporting them through bad times. Although this doesn't always prove to be wise, it always makes them feel good. What we love about Leos. Leo's big heart, warm spirit, and their love of laughter make them a joy to be around. And when Leos love you, it's like the sun has never shined brighter. That was so nice. Why Leos drive us nuts. Leo's dramatic nature and attention-getting ways can be mistaken for arrogance, and that just turns some people off. Advice for Leos. As you blaze through life in all your glory, remember to pay attention to the feelings of those around you. Leo celebrities include Jennifer Lawrence, Jennifer Lopez, Mick Jagger, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Chris Hemsworth, Leonardo DiCaprio, Mila Kunis, Madonna, Charlize Theron, Ben Affleck, Halle Berry, and Robert De Niro. Alright, it is my favorite part of the video, the creepiest thing about your sign. So Leo, let's get creepy. What are you weirdos about? The creepiest thing about Leos is that Leo is all about Leo. According to this Bustle article, it says, Leo, while you might think it's your world and we're all just living in it, you are not actually the center of the universe. Groundbreaking, I know. That's right, Leo. Your creepy trait is that you seek admiration, sometimes to the detriment of everyone else. Social acceptance, validation, and applause are what Leos seek and expect to get in their relationships. Their sense of self-worth or self-esteem is based on performance. Leo is fun, charismatic, and caring, but Leo puts Leo first. And in extreme examples, this can manifest as desperation for attention. One Leo example is Madonna, an exceptional talent who has done some pretty ridiculous things to turn people's heads. I feel like that was a stretch. I feel like they really couldn't find anything creepy about Leo, so that is going to wrap it up for this portion of the video. You'll have to let me know, do you agree, do you disagree? I feel like this was a very pleasant video for Leos. There was really no shade thrown towards you, so congrats on that. I guess that's what you get for being well liked and the most liked zodiac sign. So let me know, what is your experience with Leos down below? I would love to hear from you. That is going to wrap it up for today's video on Leos. I hope you guys enjoyed this, learned something new today, and be sure to let me know if you are a Leo and you're watching and you agree or disagree, or even if you know Leos. Let me know your thoughts down below. As always, all the resources that I use in this video are also linked down below, along with my channel Crystal Corner. If you're interested in learning more in depth to astrology, I have some good beginner guide videos over there. Be sure to check it out. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Let me know what your sign is or what sign you're most excited to see. Be sure to subscribe if you enjoy these videos. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to hang out with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.